The 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross XL and GR Sport are designed for people who want a compact SUV that combines modern styling, comfort, and everyday practicality. In metallic gray, this car looks even more premium and sophisticated, giving it a strong presence without being overly flashy. Gray is a color that suits both city life and long highway journeys, and on the Yaris Cross it highlights the sharp design lines and refined details very well. From the front, the car looks confident and modern, with a wide grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper that gives it a bold personality. The XL variant feels more elegant and balanced, while the GR Sport adds a more aggressive and sporty character to the same strong foundation. Looking at the side view, the 2026 Yaris Cross shows its true compact SUV proportions. The smooth character lines flow naturally from the front to the rear, creating a clean and well-proportioned profile. The slightly raised ride height gives it an SUV stance, while the alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness. In gray color, the side profile looks especially classy, as the light reflects beautifully along the body panels. The GR Sport variant stands out with darker accents and a more dynamic look, appealing to drivers who want something a bit more exciting. On the other hand, the XL variant keeps things subtle and refined, perfect for those who prefer understated style. Whether parked or moving, the side view of the Yaris Cross looks modern and confident. Stepping inside the cockpit, the first impression is of a clean, well-organized, and driver-focused interior. Toyota has clearly focused on making the 2026 Yaris Cross feel more premium and technology-oriented. The digital instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, providing all essential driving information at a glance. In the center, the touchscreen infotainment system looks modern and responsive, offering connectivity and convenience for daily driving. The black and gray interior theme matches perfectly with the exterior color, creating a calm and sophisticated cabin atmosphere. The steering wheel feels comfortable in hand, with controls placed exactly where the driver expects them to be. The GR Sport cockpit adds a slightly more dynamic feel with sporty details that make driving more engaging, while the XL version focuses on comfort and simplicity. The seats are designed to be supportive and comfortable, making long drives less tiring. The driving position is slightly elevated, giving that SUV-like confidence on the road, but the car still feels compact enough to handle city traffic easily. Material quality inside the cabin feels solid and well-finished, which adds to the overall premium impression. Noise insulation is improved, making the cabin quieter and more relaxing even at higher speeds. When viewed in a showroom setting, the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross XL and GR Sport look even more impressive. Under bright showroom lights, the metallic gray paint really comes to life, showing off its glossy finish and smooth reflections. The clean showroom environment highlights every design detail, from the sharp front end to the sculpted sides and stylish rear. The car looks well-built and thoughtfully designed, giving the impression of a high-quality and reliable vehicle. The GR Sport variant naturally attracts attention with its sporty styling cues, while the XL version stands out through its elegant and premium appearance. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross feels like a well-rounded compact SUV that fits perfectly into modern lifestyles. It is designed for people who want a car that looks good, feels comfortable, and performs reliably in everyday situations. In gray color, the Yaris Cross looks mature, timeless, and premium, making it a smart choice for a wide range of buyers. Whether you choose the XL variant for its refined comfort or the GR Sport for its sporty personality, both versions offer a strong sense of quality and modern design. From the front view on the road to the side profile in motion, from the cockpit experience to the showroom presentation, the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross consistently leaves a positive and lasting impression as a future-ready compact SUV.